Okay, so we're at the stage now where we've uploaded our Arduino sketch, which is basically ready to receive information through the serial, and with that information it will change the LEDs on the NeoPixel to whatever the value is that we give them. So, and we can get that value from that script we wrote in IPython in Jupyter. So what I've done here basically is create a Python file that's basically based on what we developed previously. I've just condensed it down a bit. I've put all the imports up here. So you'll need to make sure that your Python is running these necessary packages, and I'm sure it will inform you when you run it if you have or haven't got them on. The ones in particular you might have to download is this one and this one, and maybe request, but I think that might be on there. But okay, and then it's quite simple. We've got this same request here. You need to obviously insert your own key in this bit, your own latitude and longitude there. If we scroll down, it's kind of the same sort of thing. I've got some of the prints in so we can see it when we run it on our Raspberry Pi, which is connected to the Arduino, which is connected to the NeoPixel. The only thing I would like to draw your attention to is this bit down here, and obviously this is where the data is sent. We created that string and we're sending it to the serial, and that's basically created at this address, and had a lot of problems trying to find that address. I'm not sure, I didn't really understand where it was and why it was there and why I needed this big long code. But I eventually looked through some things on the internet and it came up with this, and it started working. I've obviously set the band at the same band that I've got on my Arduino sketch, so that's all fine, and it should be working now. So we'll take you through a bit of a demo of it. Take you into my Pi that I've got running, and you can see here this is the program here saved in the home Pi. So if we load up our terminal, seem to have the slowest Pi ever. Okay, if I get two windows, so close that. And I'll just list here. So this lists all the folders and files in it, and there you can go. You can see our file there. So to launch the program, we just need to type Python space UMB underscore time dot py and execute that program by pressing enter. And then we need to wait for it to run, and what should happen, which you're not seeing, is my NeoPixel should change colour to the colours that it's got designated to the required precipitation, but it's just running at the moment, so I'll let you know when it all starts working. Okay, I'm still waiting for it to load. Here we go. Okay, so I do have the same serial port error, which is here, which I don't know why it's saying that. It was working fine earlier. I only can assume that this is because I've already designated this port to a file I'm already running on the. I've already running the file in a sense, but yeah, that's my main concern, kind of finding this address. It's possible to do, and mine's working now, and you might have to just play with it and try and find your own address, but yeah, good luck with that. But you can obviously see here it's collected the data. There's a couple of prints about it, so good luck with finding the address basically, and it's possible.